How to turn off easy swing for Venom in Marvel Rivals. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off easy swing for Venom in Marvel Rivals. If you want more control while playing as Venom, this is the tutorial is for you. First, go ahead and open the Marvel Rivals game on your device and make sure you're logged in and ready to play. Once you're in the game, look for the settings icon, usually a gear or cog in the top right corner of the screen. Tap that to open up the game settings menu. Now, simply tap on Settings to open up the Settings menu. You'll be landed on the display screen, but we have to go to Keyboard or Controller section. You can choose whichever you prefer. After you've done that, you'll find a Combat option. Simply tap on that. After that, simply tap on All Heroes, which will bring us to various heroes that we have. Now scroll down until you find Venom option. Simply after you find Venom, tap on it and click on confirm. From there you can find an option called easy swing. Simply toggle that option off to turn off that option, and after you've done that, simply click on save, and that's it. That's how you turn off easy swing for Venom in Marvel Rivals.